Right then, here we go. Another build. This is Harry Potter's Buckbeak. Okay, so this one was an interesting choice for me, but I'm looking forward to building it and displaying it next to Hagrid's hut when that's done, which will be cool. It's got 723 pieces, so not massive. It's age 9 plus. Build, display and play out enchanting Buckbeak scenes with the biggest ever Lego brick model of the beloved Hippogriff. Fold out Buckbeak's huge wings for majestic flight poses, adjust his legs for walking or make him bow down respectfully. Excuse me. Rotate and tuck in his wings when Buckbeak wants to relax among the pumpkins in Hagrid's yard. Okay, so here is the front of the box. You got Buckbeak, you got small builds with like vegetables, and I don't know what that is, like a little stone or rock or whatever with a bird on it, which would be quite cool. So yeah, 76427 is the set number, and here's a couple of the poses and the size of Buckbeak himself, with his wingspan, so it's quite nice. It's 44 centimeters or 17.5 inches wingspan. That's crazy. And then the length of his body is 25 centimeters, 9.5 inches. So quite big for such a small part count, which is interesting. Anyway, without ado further, we will attempt to open it without breaking the box. If I can find the tab, there we go. Okay, so let's give it and the sides. Wow, that one's gone really well. This one not so much. There we go. Good job. Oh, nice paper bags. Good old paper bags. No stickers, I don't think. Here we got. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 bags in total. Okay. So let's put those to one side. Okay, there we go. And a manual. What have we got in the manual? Let's have a look. Harry Potter Wizarding World. No information, just straight into build. Nice. Okay, so that can go to one side. Back in the box. Open up the first bag. Again, if you've not watched my videos before, be careful with the paper bags. They are awesome for the environment, but parts can get caught inside the edges of the bag. So always make sure you've got all the parts out. Inside the paper bag is a plastic bag. Okay, doesn't really make sense, but whatever. Why would you use a plastic bag inside a paper bag? Who knows? I've got, my bin is full of Lego bags currently. Right. Okay, there we go. Right. So this is where we start the speed build part of the video. 7 bags, and I will see you at the end of the build shortly. Right, awesome set. I love it. Absolutely stupendous. Build was quite easy actually. I was really impressed. I thought it'd be a little bit tricky, but it's not. I think, I don't know whether he should have claws or not on the back, but it seems a little bit strange. But anyway, apart from that, this little build, let's do the side build first. Okay, so we've got a pumpkin and we've got a lettuce or cabbage here with some like leaves and stalks coming out. We've also got some vines here and here and a perfect little crow. I think he's awesome. Bit of rockery. Nice, I really like that. That was very, very cool to do. I don't know why, I suppose maybe he can move there, but there's that as well, which is a bit strange. There's no spare parts that says that needs to go, something else needs to go on there, so I don't know what that's all about, but hey, that's the side build, which I'm quite impressed with. Really good. Okay, so there's that, and then of course there's the star of the show, Buckbeak. Dude, this is just awesome. You can pose his tail, you can pose his legs, you can pose his head, you can pose his wings. Oh my god, I mean, so much posability, it's unbelievable. Really impressed, really impressed. So you can maybe lay him down like this, like, you know, when he's kind of saying, okay, come over here, bows his head. You can then pose his wings. You can fold the wings like this. Let's go. Very tight, but pretty good. That's good, a good thing, being tight. So you turn them upside down like that. Like that. So there you go. So he can also, like, you know, he can go on his back legs. So yeah, he could do that. His tail can be posed any way you like, really. You can go to the side, do whatever you want. I think it's awesome. Awesome little set. I was a little bit, don't know if I want to do this kind of thing, but no, absolutely spot on. And of course his toes, claws, whatever you want to call them, can be put in different positions as well. Very easy to pose. And yeah, look, I mean, that's awesome. That is such a solid set. Really good. Very pleased with this. His back legs, like I say, can kind of go back as well. You can pose them like that. Put his feet down, bow his head. Just awesome. Super duper. Oh, he's got a hole in the back of his head. Maybe I need to look at that. Look, there's a hole there. Maybe something's supposed to go in there, but there is nothing in here to go in there, so a little bit strange, but whatever. He has a hole in the back of his head. GG's. Yeah, and his ears, feathers I suppose, can be posed as well. So many different things that can be done. It's really clever, really clever. They did an awesome job on this. Do that. Put him back. Fold his wing down. Bring it up. Obviously, scale-wise, not good for minifigs because it's not to scale for minifigs. I can put one on there and show you. You know, Harry can ride him. There is space, but Harry is kind of a little bit big. So there's that. Put his back legs back up again, straight. Okay, there and there, and there you go. GG's. Awesome. Plenty of options for posability. I'm always lopsided. Have I done something wrong here? Ugh. Oh, move that round. Move that round. There we go. Okay, there we go. Do your toenails, dude. There we go. Cool. I like the kind of looking to the side. What you looking at? Let's get a Harry figure. Okay, let's go for you, my little dude. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of a little bit bigger, you know, not the right scale really for Harry to be on, but that's a small thing, doesn't really matter. Well, I suppose you could say you could put like two or three minifigs on there if you wanted to. Sorry. Yeah, so I rate this very, very high for the price and for what you get when you finish. It is just awesome. So cool. If you're a Harry Potter fan, I think you have to get it. You just have no option. You have to have it. I'm sorry. Go out there and buy it now. Whatever. Sorry, I'm joking. You don't need to buy it, but I recommend this really, really highly. Very, very cool set. You know, the wingspan is just huge, and the posability, like I said, is just awesome. So if you wanted to have him like that, full spread wings, it takes up a lot of space. So just depends on what you want, really. Very, very cool. All right, I keep saying it's very, very cool. I need to stop saying it's very, very cool, but it is very, very cool. Would have been a little bit better if these weren't quite so flopsy, but whatever. It is what it is. Tail's very good. Everything else perfect. Right. Okay. So apart from the hole in the back of his head, I think the colour is awesome. The different colours, the blue, the white, the grey, the dark grey, mix very, very well. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Okay, so there you go. Smash the like button, subscribe if you want to, or comment in the comments section. Have you bought it? Are you going to buy it? Have you got any questions about it? I can answer any questions, no problem. And I'll see you in the next video. GG's. Bye bye.